Let's edit our end game screen to show users some key statistics. Please go to the initial function in our play class and scroll down to where we retrieved labels. Then add the choose label into that area. Then scroll down to our new round function. We actually don't want to increase the number of rounds played at this point. Instead, we can simply edit how that displays to the user when we configure our heading. In our round results area, we can add 1 to the number of rounds once we've actually played a round, and we can also retrieve how many rounds have been won. If you've been following me exactly, this means you'll have some duplicate code that you'll want to remove. Underneath where we check if the game is over, we can work out the success rate. And then we can configure our heading label, target label, choose label, and of course change the background of our stats button. And our endgame information is now a lot more understandable. If you're running short of time at this point, you're good to test what you have and go on to the assessment. Having said that, there's a small issue with our code, and it's not completely bulletproof. Normally, we would expect people to close a dialog box before they do anything else. But if they push play again and they've got either the stats or the hints dialog box open, then when they try and dismiss it, we get errors. If we close our top color quest root dialog box, everything does close gracefully, which is good. Interesting thing is if we close our root dialog box, the program ends. But if users don't push end game and instead push the cross at the top of the game component, our program is actually still running in the background, which isn't ideal. Off camera, I made another version of my base component where I fixed these issues. One thing you'll notice is if I push the stats now, I can't open the hints button, I can't end the game. All I can really do is dismiss the stats button or close this box. If I dismiss the stats button, things work, and I've done something similar with my hints box. If I do close at the top right-hand side, we actually are ending with exit code 0. In my documentation, I made notes on this bulletproofing as it is evidence of trialing and iteration. I'm a bit worried that this video is going to get too long if I show you the details for bulletproofing your code, so I'll do that and show you my discussion in the next video.